new insurance policy from Lloyd's of London, which is one of the biggest insurance providers, is going to be covering crypto. The goal of this insurance is to protect users up to $1 million against theft and hacking. Lloyd's syndicates Atrium and CoinCover are underwriting these insurance policy, and they protect against hacking and theft of crypto assets stored in online wallets. This is the first of its kind that's been offered in the crypto space, and it's definitely going to keep newbies and newcomers into the space peace of mind. There's no unsettling feeling just knowing that at any time you are at risk of losing your hard-earned crypto assets to scams or to hacking on exchanges. But Lloyd's of London has taken that huge step to protect and give people peace of mind by providing insurance policy coverage up to $1 million. The policy limit is dynamic, which means it can increase or decrease depending on the volatility of the crypto market. According to their policy statements, in a worst case scenario, if you purchase crypto insurance with Lloyd's of London, you are sure to be protected up to the value of your crypto assets, regardless of current price action. So why is crypto insurance necessary? Because of human error, because of theft, hacking, things that are completely beyond anyone's control. This is where insurance policy steps in. Just like with any other asset or any other business venture, you want to have that peace of mind. You know, in the legacy banking system, the FDIC protects up to $250,000 of your money that you store in banks. But Lloyd's of London is spearheading this movement to provide peace of mind against financial loss. Crypto is becoming increasingly popular, and with that attracts grifters, scam artists. I've been rug pulled before, so I know how it feels. It's an unsettling feeling when your hard assets are snatched away from you due to no fault of your own, or maybe even human error. Whatever the case may be, this is a welcome news to have a big insurer like Lloyd's of London step in to provide coverage and peace of mind. I'm not affiliated with the company, but I came across it while doing my research, and I thought I'd bring it to your attention. If you're in the London or UK area, there's a good chance that it covers your area. Being here in the United States, they may not be able to underwrite for me. I didn't look into it, but I thought that it was a welcome development because there's definitely a need for crypto insurance in this space at this current moment. But if you're new into crypto and you're dabbling, trying to figure out, I encourage you to first learn. Use this opportunity to learn before you start spending money, because I want you to think about this space. It's going to be around for a very long time. There's no rush. But what's important is that you educate yourself. You understand that there are scam artists, and when you get a DM or you get some random message, whether you're in a Discord server or you're in the YouTube comments, or you even get an email of any crypto offer, if it looks too good to be true, then chances are it's a scam. So you want to be very cautious about stuff like this. They're everywhere. I don't know anyone who's been in the crypto space long enough that haven't been victim to some form of scam or theft or hacking event. So keep that in the back of your mind as you get into this space. It's nascent. There's a lot of grifters in the space. Do not invest money that you're not willing to lose. If you haven't heard of before, it's something that you need to understand. I don't have all the answers. I've also been, like I said, I've also had bad experiences, but I take them as learning experience and know not to do what I did that got me there in the first place. I don't blame anyone. I take responsibility. But it's a welcome news that there's a huge insurance company that's willing to underwrite this need. It's a very clear need. Anyway, that's all I want to say about that. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like the video and share it. Comment so that I can know what you feel, what you're thinking, and I can bring you more related content. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.